everybody. I'm going to do a plastic wrap pour today, but instead of using the white at the end, I'm just adding silicone to one of the colors that I'm going to use. So usually at the end I sprinkle white with silicone over the entire pour. Well, I'm not going to do that today, and we're going to see what happens. So I've got Arteza Carmine Red, and I'm just going to put a little bit in here, a little bit more. And I was going to add the iridescent medium, which is why it was sitting there, but I think it looks like I may have already added iridescent medium to this. It looks somewhat shimmery. So I'm going to use Spot On Treadmill silicone, and just like 3 drops. Got it all stirred up in there. And that's what we're going to use. So now I will pour the white. And this is, I believe, 8 by 8 inch wood panel. I love working on the wood panels. When they're resin, they are just so pretty. There's just something about them. Now, I did resin. I'm having a heck of a time with one of my pieces. The first time I resined it, there were still some low spots from where the silicone was that resisted. So then I poured my second coat of resin, and I did everything exactly like I normally do. I put my resin coffin, which if you've seen my resin videos, you know what I'm talking about, my plastic cover over it. And this time, somehow, even though nothing got taller, I have no idea how it happened, my resin coffin stuck to the top of the piece. And hang on, let me get these bubbles out. So it stuck to the top of the piece and caused, I don't think there's paint right there. Big lumps. It stuck, so I had to pull the plastic cover off of it. And then sand down the lumps where it was stuck. So now it's just a cloudy mess, but I'm hoping the second coat of resin will bring all of it back. Supposedly it will, so we will see. So this is mid-yellow. Whoa. So I got mid-yellow. Then we'll do orange. But I was so upset when I pulled off that cover and it was stuck. I was so sad. So sad. Now, Prussian blue. marked as a rose. That one's not wanting to come out very well. Alright, and now for the red with the silicone. I don't know if it's going to make all the cells red. We shall find out. Ah, my plastic wrap is stuck to itself. Look at all those cells forming. So cool. I'm going to blow it out a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. So what I've learned is the white is not a necessity. Just touching up these corners. Corners kind of got the brunt of it. So white is clearly not a necessity to put on after the fact. It makes it a bit richer in color, actually. Yeah, the color's a lot richer than usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.